Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use Facebook to create a community around your brand. In this video, we will go over all the steps involved in developing, nurturing, and engaging a thriving community of loyal supporters on Facebook, fostering a sense of belonging, and driving brand advocacy. Section 1. The importance of brand communities. Building a strong community around your brand offers numerous benefits. Enhanced brand awareness. A vibrant brand community attracts attention and expands your reach, introducing your brand to a wider audience. Loyal customer base. Nurturing a sense of community fosters customer loyalty, encouraging repeat business and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Valuable feedback and insights. Community members provide valuable feedback and insights, helping you understand their preferences, address concerns, and improve your products or services. Brand advocates. Engaged community members become brand advocates, promoting your brand to their networks and influencing others to become customers. Section 2. Understanding Facebook's role in community building. Facebook, with its vast user base and diverse demographics, provides an ideal platform for building a brand community. Direct communication. Facebook allows for direct communication with your audience, enabling you to engage with them, answer questions, and foster a sense of connection. Group features. Facebook groups provide a dedicated space for community members to interact, share experiences, and engage in discussions. Engagement tools. Facebook offers a variety of tools to promote engagement, such as polls, quizzes, live streams, and interactive content formats. Targeting capabilities. Facebook's targeting capabilities enable you to reach specific audience segments based on their interests, demographics, and behaviors, attracting the right people to your community. Section 3. Creating a thriving brand community on Facebook. To create a thriving brand community on Facebook, follow these steps. Define your community goals. Clearly define what you want to achieve with your brand community. Are you aiming to enhance customer engagement, gather feedback, or build a network of brand advocates? Identify your target audience. Determine your ideal community members based on factors such as age, gender, interests, and online behavior. Create a dedicated Facebook group. Establish a dedicated Facebook group for your brand community. Set clear guidelines, post engaging content, and encourage active participation. Foster inclusive atmosphere. Promote a welcoming and inclusive atmosphere in your community. Encourage respectful interactions, address conflicts promptly, and value the diverse perspectives of your members. Recognize and reward engagement. Recognize and reward active community members through shout-outs, exclusive content, or special promotions. Embrace user-generated content. Encourage user-generated content by running contests, inviting reviews, and featuring community creations. Host interactive events. Organize live streams, Q&A sessions, or virtual events to foster engagement and create memorable experiences for your community members. Section 4. Optimizing your community building efforts. Continuously optimize your community building efforts to maximize their effectiveness. Monitor engagement metrics. Track metrics such as group member growth, post engagement rates, and feedback responses to assess the effectiveness of your community building efforts. Adapt to evolving trends. Stay updated on emerging trends in community engagement and adapt your strategies accordingly. Utilize new features, experiment with different content formats, and keep your community fresh and engaging. Seek feedback from community members. Regularly solicit feedback from your community members through surveys, polls, or informal discussions to identify areas for improvement and ensure their needs are being met. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with relevant influencers in your industry to promote your brand community and attract new members. Leverage Facebook ads. Utilize Facebook ads to target potential community members based on their interests and demographics, expanding your reach and attracting new members to your group. Facebook offers a powerful tool for creating a thriving brand community, fostering meaningful connections with your audience, and driving brand advocacy. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can develop a strong and engaged community that supports your brand's growth and success. Remember, building a brand community is an ongoing process that requires continuous effort, adaptation, and a genuine commitment to providing value to your members. With a strategic approach and a focus on creating a welcoming and inclusive environment, you can leverage Facebook to cultivate a loyal brand community that elevates your brand and drives positive business outcomes.